Welcome to Taypa Textile's eco-innovative Ergene factory. Our facility is home to 4,945 solar panels that power our operations while reducing our carbon footprint. With our impressive wind turbine, a symbol of renewable energy that harnesses the power of nature, our entire production process is powered by sustainable energy. Using our state-of-the-art hydrogen reactor, hydrogen and oxygen are separated, leading to natural gas savings and reduced emissions. Through ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis technology, we transform our wastewater into crystal-clear, reusable water for washing jeans. This innovative system conserves water and supports eco-friendly textile production. Finally, our electric vehicle charging station is a testament to our unwavering dedication to eco-friendly practices. By incorporating renewable energy, innovative water treatment, and hydrogen technology into our production, we're revolutionizing the textile industry and crafting a greener future for all.